Hello everyone, welcome to Begin CGI. In this video, let's create a simple and clean title animation inside Maya. We'll be covering how to create a text, how to animate the text and camera, shade and lit it for final render. It is a beginner friendly tutorial which gives you a head start in title animation in Maya. So let's begin the CGI. So create a text.type from the shelf or from the create menu. The 3D text is now created. So go to open its properties in the attributes editor, and under the text panel align the text, change the font size, use tracking and kerning scale to create space between each character. So click on the type manipulator tool to edit each character individually in the viewport. So go back to the geometry panel, and adjust the curve resolution. So wherever there is a curve, the resolution is added or reduced. Come to the extrude section, edit the extrude distance and its resolution. And enable bevel for smooth edges and play with its attributes. The bevel distance and its resolution. Now let's change the content. Just type it whatever you need. I'll just type it as transponders. So play with the curve resolution or extrusion or bevel as per the need. You can also change the font type from the above section. Coming to the texturing tab, you can create a simple shader and change its shader type from blend to Arnold AI standard surface shader if you prefer Arnold rendering, and add any texture to it. So in this case I chose a metal texture. Add a sky dome light and connect a HDRI image to it. Check the render. Select the sky dome light rotate the sky dome light. So increase the samples to get noiseless output. Increase the intensity. And also tweak the materials of the font or the type. Tweak the materials metalness and roughness properties to get a better look. So keep rotating the sky dome light to get desired result. Add more lights to create, to get more metallic finishing. So change its exposure, intensity. Change its placements. So duplicate the lights. So I keep changing the position of the light. Place a light at the back of the type to get a backlit a rim light. Change the color of the light. Change its colors to get a warm and cool tone. Play with the intensity and exposure values. Alright, we are almost okay with the render. Now it's time to add a camera. Let's go to the view in panel, select the camera, change the name to render cam. So animate the camera's position in Z-axis. Just turn off the lights in the viewport. Now let's animate the type. Let's go to the animate tab and animate let's go to say around 100th frame and key its position and rotation value. So go to the first frame, and change its rotation and position values. Now just play back the animation. So now we have the camera animation as well as the text rotating and settling. Adjust the camera position as needed. So the rotation is visible when the camera moves out. So select the camera and go to its graph editor and just ease it out. Or you can ease in, ease out as per your wish. Now keep adjusting the position and rotation values as you need it. So we have a good rotation. Looks better. Now let's animate its kerning value to get a sense of stretch and squash. Let's create enough spacing between each character using the kerning attribute. So keep experimenting. I think I can increase the spacing at the beginning and reduce it at the end. Looks much better now. So render the frame. Tweak the lights a bit. Let's check quick playback in the render. Keep tweaking the placement of the light, rotate the sky dome light, and also tweak the materials, metalness and roughness as required. So once you're satisfied with the lighting, animation, everything, render the sequence out. Increase the camera AA values to get some noiseless output. Activate motion blur, which might take a little longer to render. And render the sequence. And then do some color corrections. Add a BG sound in the edit suite. Add some intro titles and render out the final output. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more such tutorials.